Get a room! No! Thank you. Yeah, they're street legal. Everyone thinks they're not legal, but they're street legal.
For real?
Yeah.
You have a class 6 or no?
Yeah, you have to have a class 6. Yep.
Oh, okay,
Yeah. They got headlights, indicators. They're just really tiny.
Oh, this is a Honda. This is a Honda too.
Yeah, both Hondas. Yeah, same bike. That one's a 17 or 16, Kelvin. That's a 17. This is a 15.
CC?
2015.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're 125 cc.
125 cc.
Yeah.
Okay.
4-speed.
How much is this? You got it from here?
I'm sorry?
You got it from here?
It's from Honda. From the any motorcycle store sells Honda. You can buy them.
How much are they worth?
About $4,500. Brand new.
Yeah, not bad. Look really cool.
Yeah, man.
Like, looks cool.
Oh man, they're so fun. Like they're not the fastest thing in the world, but they're so fun. That's the thing.
Can you ride someone at the back or not? Eh?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it bent the plate.
Have fun,
Everyone loves the Grom, buddy. Oh man, look how pretty our city is this time of year. Always have to come do this loop. So I made a couple videos ago where it's just all dead and stuff. Now look at it. This used to be parking, but they closed it all off for some stupid reason. Yeah, I tell you, man. Look how nice it is now. If you're gonna hang out your truck and say that. Yo!
I never thought I'd run into you, bro.
What's up, guys?
Snowcat, bro.
What's up? You like the tiny ass little bike?
I like that. This is fresh, bro.
Yeah, man. What's up, guys?
Yo, big fan, bro. Big fan.
Nice.
I've been watching you for a minute.
I'm recording you, recording me to go on the YouTube.
Oh, shit. Yo, I'm trying to get my license.
Do you guys ride or no?
I'm trying to get my license.
Oh man, you have to. It's next level.
Yeah?
Yeah. Even these little things are like 125 cc, but they're so dope, you know?
How much is this?
This is well, the way it sits is what, like 10 grand probably, but they're like 4,000. Yeah, it's his Grom, so.
Oh, where?
Yeah.
What's up?
How's it going, man?
Snow kitty?
Good seeing you again.
What's up?
The homie Kelvin.
That's tight.
Oh, it's so hot in these letters, boys. We gotta keep moving. It's nice meeting you guys.
Stay safe, huh?
Glad to meet you, my friend.
You too, buddy. Take care, guys. If you're gonna hang out your truck like that, I'm gonna come back and say hello. Do it for the Vine. No, is it Vine now? I'm old now, man. Oh, do it for the Snapchat. Do it for the IG, man. Do it for the Vine. Woo! Why bikers get a bad name cutting off a car like that. Now he's pissed. He's gonna cut him off and be hilarious. Interesting lane change there by the dual sport guy. The whole I just don't get it, man. Totally cut off that bend. There he goes again, look. That's how bikers get a bad name right there. Hopefully the GoPro can pick that up. Don't be that guy, man. This guy's got a little exploration Jeep. You just got the wrong Jeep there, bud. That's not the off-road kind. Oh man, all the lights are tinted. You can't see anything. Brake lights, headlights, nothing. Oh, what a shitty wheelie. He tried. He tried. I love that, man. They'll do 10 under back there. They'll do like, you know, 70 and 80. But when a 50 comes, they'll do 70 and a 50. It doesn't make sense. Just go the speed limit in both zones. It's the same difference, man. Get in your lane, man. No excuse to cross the lane. Because you're doing 20 over and you can't go slow enough to make the tight corners. Some days, man, I literally cannot even. Literally cannot even.